Hey guys, Cody here today from Hardhead Veterans. In this video, we're going to explain the wear, care, and maintenance of your safety helmet. Your safety helmet is designed to protect your life, but it can only do that if you take care of it and wear it as intended. First, every time you put your helmet on, give your helmet a quick inspection. You want to look it over for dents, pits, any kind of deep scratches, or any other signs of damage. You can also feel the outer shell with your fingers to detect any irregularities. If you find any of these issues, your helmet should not be used. Next, check the manufacturing date located on the sticker inside the helmet. We recommend replacing your helmet after 5 years of storage or 5 years of use, whichever comes first. The sticker also provides important information about your helmet's compliance with ANSI or other relevant safety standards. Now let's adjust the suspension system for a proper fit. Our helmet features a dial retention system and other chin strap systems to accommodate most head sizes between 53 and 63 centimeters. To adjust the dial retention system, all you're going to do is turn to the left, and that's going to loosen up the retention system, and then you're going to turn to the right, and you can hear it ratchet, and that's going to tighten the retention system. The chin strap can be worn either over or under the chin. Over the chin is going to provide the most secure fit, while under the chin is more comfortable. This technology was adapted from our ballistic helmets and was designed for troops in contact. You'll have no issues keeping your hard hat on while hanging off the side of a building as long as you're wearing your chin strap and as long as you're not trying to be John Wayne. To clean your helmet padding, remove the sweatband, wash it in warm, soapy water, allow it to air dry before reinstalling. Avoid any harsh chemicals. Our helmets are designed to be versatile with features like a flashlight, shroud, MLOK rail system, and hook and loop panels. The flashlight shroud is compatible with various headlamps and camera systems. It's also compatible with night vision for those with really sketchy job sites. When choosing any accessories, ensure it complies with job site safety requirements and doesn't compromise the helmet's performance, and the same for any accessories you attach to your MLOK system as well. Okay, to install a headlamp, first make sure that your headlamp is compatible with our helmet. Our helmets use a night vision shroud, so as long as your headlamp comes with an adapter for that, it's going to work. So here's how to install it. So you're going to insert the light towards the top of the shroud, and then this little lever, all these adapter plates that mount to your night vision are going to have this little lever. You're going to push that down and push it in, and then it's going to lock in place. Just for reference, this is what you're pushing in to be able to mount or to be able to lock in right here on the shroud. So once again, insert towards the top, push that in, push that button in, and there you go. Now to install MLOK accessories to your helmet. So the way MLOK works is you're going to have these T-nuts that are going to actually insert into the MLOK rail. And then once you begin tightening, these screws are designed, or these T-nuts are designed to automatically start tightening. So we're going to line these T-nuts up with the rail, and we want to make sure that we have enough room that the T-nuts will pass the thickness of this MLOK rail, so that when your T-nuts start tightening, they have enough room to spin and then catch on the back side of this MLOK rail. All right. Tighten to make sure that those catch. All right. So this Picatinny adapter is mounted. The good thing about MLOK rails is that you can get Picatinny adapters just like this and mount pretty much any kind of accessory that takes Picatinny rails. And then if you have, say, a light, you can actually mount the light. Okay, so now a lot of accessories out there, especially flashlights, have MLOK rail adapters already. So that's going to make it even easier. Notice how this is freely spinning and the T-nut and the screw are just turning indefinitely. What you can do with that is actually pull up on the accessory that you're trying to install, so that the T-nut catches on the back side of this MLOK rail, and then start tightening. You'll feel it catch, and then from there you can keep going and seat it properly and fully tighten it up. But these are actually catching fine. So that's how to install MLOK accessories on your helmet. Okay, to install hook and loop accessories, it's as simple throwing it on there just like that. That's why Velcro is popular in the ballistic helmet world. Remember, always prioritize safety. If you have any doubts about your helmet's condition or the proper use of accessories, consult with a safety professional. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your hard hat provides optimal protection and extends its lifespan.